Tiny worlds, giant discoveries, asteroids with moons. Space is full of surprises. We used to think asteroids were just big space rocks. Now we know some asteroids have something even more amazing. Moons, yes, you heard that right. Just like planets, some asteroids have their own smaller companions orbiting them. These companions are called satellites or moons. It's mind-blowing to think about. These tiny worlds, some barely bigger than cities, can have their own little gravitational dances with even tinier moons. It challenges what we thought we knew about space. It makes our solar system even more interesting than we imagined. The discovery of asteroid moons was a game changer. It opened up a whole new field of study for astronomers. Now, we're not just looking at individual asteroids, but at entire mini-systems in space, each one a miniature version of our own solar system with its own story to tell. Ida and Dactyl are cosmic first. The first asteroid moon ever discovered was Dactyl, orbiting the asteroid Ida. In 1993, the Galileo spacecraft flew by Ida and sent back incredible images. There, in the grainy black and white photos, was a tiny moonlet, just a speck against the vastness of space. Dactyl is only about a mile wide, dwarfed by the 35-mile-long Ida. Yet, there it was, proof that even the smallest celestial bodies can have their own satellites. The discovery sent shockwaves through the scientific community. It was like finding a miniature model of our own planet-moon system hidden among the asteroids. This discovery was revolutionary. It showed us that our solar system is even more complex than we thought. It also opened up new questions about how these moons form and what they can tell us about the history of our cosmic neighborhood. More moons, more mysteries. Ida and Dactyl were just the beginning. Since then, astronomers have discovered moons orbiting many other asteroids. We're talking about dozens of confirmed asteroid moon systems, with more being discovered all the time. Some of these moons are tiny, just specks of rock and ice. Others are surprisingly large, almost as big as their parent asteroids. We've found moons around asteroids of all shapes and sizes, in different parts of the asteroid belt. Each new discovery adds another piece to the puzzle of our solar system. It's like finding hidden chapters in the story of how our cosmic neighborhood came to be. And with every new moon we find, we get closer to understanding the secrets of these fascinating mini-systems. Section 4, Cosmic Crumbs, Unlocking Secrets. Asteroid moons are like cosmic crumbs, leftovers from the early solar system. Studying them gives us clues about how planets formed billions of years ago. By studying their orbits, composition, and interactions with their parent asteroids, we can learn about. The early solar system asteroid moons can tell us about the conditions and events that shaped the solar system's formation, asteroid composition. Moons can help us understand what asteroids are made of without having to land on them. Gravitational interactions. Studying how moons orbit asteroids teaches us about gravity and how it works on different scales. These tiny moons are like time capsules, holding secrets from the earliest days of our solar system. By studying them, we can unravel the mysteries of our cosmic origins and gain a deeper understanding of our place in the universe. Section 5. Birth of a moon cosmic dance or collision chaos. How do asteroid moons form in the first place? That's a question that keeps astronomers up at night. There are two main theories. Capture. An asteroid could capture a passing object in its gravitational field, turning it into a moon. Collision. A large impact could shatter an asteroid, and the debris could then coalesce into a moon. Both theories have their merits, and it's likely that both processes have played a role in creating asteroid moons. It's even possible that some moons formed through a combination of capture and collision. More research is needed to determine which formation scenario is more common and under what conditions each occurs. Section 6. Double the wonder, double the exploration. Asteroid moons are more than just scientific curiosities. They represent exciting targets for future space exploration. Imagine sending a spacecraft to orbit an asteroid and its moon, studying both up close. We could learn so much more about their composition, history, and even their potential resources. Someday, asteroid mining might become a reality. And when that day comes, asteroid moons could be valuable resources too. They might contain water ice or other useful materials that could support human exploration and expansion into the solar system. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember those tiny asteroid moons. They are a reminder that the universe is full of surprises, and they represent a new frontier of discovery and exploration just waiting to be explored.